So welcome everyone. Today's event is one that I run every once in a while just to talk about common mistakes and issues that people discover or people run into when they're trying to learn how to publish a book. I do have some slides I'm going to present. I'm also going to have plenty of time for open Q&A and little demonstration. I've got a little mind map for some of the common problems. Also have a freebie for you for those of you who are interested. I will be sharing a link to my free roadmap for self-publishing. And I also am going to talk a little bit about a program that I have starting on June 23rd, which helps those people who are running into the issues that I'll talk about today. So if that is something that's of interest to you, then hang on till the end. And I have a special offer that may be just what the doctor ordered for the challenges that you're facing.